The term of IoT, or Internet of Things, refers to the collective or network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates communication between devices, the cloud, as well as between themselves. The concept of adding sensors and intelligence to physical objects was first discussed in the 1980s when some university students decided to modify a Coca-Cola vending machine to track its contents remotely, but the technology was bulky and progress was limited. The term Internet of Things was coined in 1999 by the computer scientist Kevin Ashton. While working at Procter & Gamble, Ashton proposed putting radio frequency identification, or RFID, chips on products to track them through the supply chain. He reportedly worked the then buzzword Internet into his proposal to get the executive attention and the praise tag. IoT plays a huge role in our life today, especially in our everyday lives, industry and agriculture sector. In industry and businesses, IoT has enabled companies to automate processes and reduce labor costs. Other than that, they can monitor their overall business processes while enhancing their employee productivity. Thus, customer experience can also be improved. IoT has also helped in saving money, time and energy in doing daily life activities. For example, we can always check the traffic condition for a smooth journey to certain destinations. Moreover, we can have better security through smart security system and improve our health by using health tracker apps. Last but least, IoT has brought the agriculture sector to another level where farmers can collect data on rainfall, humidity, temperature, and soil content. They can also monitor the field in real time to ensure high yield and profitability. Most importantly, IoT can reduce farmers' labor. There are a lot of examples and applications of IoT, which first wearables, the smartwatches that monitors heart rate, blood pressure, fitness activity, and various other things. While smart medication dispenser that notifies the user when to take their medications and alert them when they skip their meds. Second, logistics, where smart tags attach parcels that are being delivered so that their locations can be tracked by the user. While IoT-powered hardwares in vehicles that analyzes fuel consumption and driving time and speed, as well as monitoring cargo conditions and driver activity. Third, home automation, where include a number of smart devices that can be monitored in real time, such as indoor cameras, security alarms, smoke detector, and more. While smart thermostats that can automatically adjust the temperature according to own preferences, as well as saving energy. And lastly, agriculture, where smart sensors that monitor various natural conditions such as humidity, air temperature, and soil quality. While smart watering system that uses real-time weather data and forecast to create an optimal watering schedule. There are a lot of pros and cons for Internet of Things, which is IoT. First, for the pros is helps alleviate the problems associated with bottlenecks, breakdowns, and system damages. Second, allows physical devices to stay connected and better communicate, which creates greater quality control. Third, leads to uniformity in tasks, quality of service, and control of day-to-day tasks without human intervention. Lastly, provides for better efficiency, enabling people to focus on other jobs. While for the cons, makes it harder to keep confidential information out of the hands of hackers and other unauthorized users. Second, a single failure in either the software or hardware can have disastrous consequences. Third, we could see a decline in the need for unskilled employees in the workplace. And lastly, basic human interaction skills will be reduced across society. IoT works with lots of categories. First, sensors or devices, which is sensors or devices collect data from their environment. For example, phone has multiple sensors such as camera, accelerometer, or GPS. By the aspect of connectivity, sensor or device can be connected to cloud through a variety of methods including the solar, satellite, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, low power, wide area networks LPWAN, or connecting directly to the internet. Other than that is data processing, where data gets to the cloud. Software performs some kind of processing, such as using computer vision or video to identify objects, such as intruders in your house. Lastly, user interface, where information is made useful to the end user in some way. This could be via an alert to the user, via email or notification. A user might have an interface that allows them to proactively check on the system. For example, user might want to check the video feeds in their house via a phone app or web browser. What will IoT provide us in 10 to 20 years ahead? It can be categorized with two categories, which is smart cities, easier and convenient life. Examples of modern world from development of IoT in movies.
A is for Axiom, your home sweet home. B is for by and large, your very best friend.
Time for lunch. In a cup. Feel beautiful.
It's the new year. Stunning, right? I know, honey. Men.
Attention Axiom shoppers. Try blue. It's the new red.
Hello. Welcome to the Grand Concourse aboard the Avalon. Can I help you?
I need to talk to a person. A real live person, please?
What sort of person? Personal trainer? Travel planner? Therapist?
I don't know. Somebody in charge.
The ship's steward handles passenger affairs.
First, smart cities. A smart city is a framework predominantly composed of information and communication technologies, which is ICT, to develop, deploy, and promote sustainable development practice to address growing urbanization challenges. First, connected cars, which is lighter and upgrade. Second, autonomously flying drones, which will cause no traffic issues. And lastly, sensors everywhere, which is the security is improved. And for the easy and convenient life, IoT in the home not only makes your life easier by automating various housekeeping tasks like temperature or lighting adjustments, but it can also help the environment by making sure you only use energy when and where you need it. First, cleaner air and water, where the cleaning technology is improved. Second, cutting food waste, where the food industry is improved. And lastly, new shopping experience, where IoT retail shop begin. That's all from us for Internet of Things IoT presentation. Thanks for watching.